This fabric is called Terrasol Outdoor Rain Indigo, medium weight outdoor fabric, a home decor fabric, 54 inches wide. This is really a great print. This is the back, this is the front. The tones in this blue are just really gorgeous. That's reading pretty true to what it is. It has a very painterly feel to it. And this fabric is really fantastic. It's mildew resistant, stain resistant. It is waterproof. It'd be fantastic for so many things. Obviously, upholstering or making covers for cushions, for a bench, for an ottoman, for you know, outdoor couches. You could, you know, it's light enough, it's a little stiffer, whatever. You could almost do like a curtain sort of thing with this. You could make handbags with this. I mean, it is just so fantastic, and it is such a cute pattern. So if you are interested in this, get yourself some yardage or a swatch. We don't have that much of this. We have 24 yards, so enough to do a really good project. Get yourself some yardage or a swatch. It is very, very cute, wonderful outdoor fabric.